want to discover how to make money on YouTube with super simple videos? If so, you're in the right place. My name is Matt Parr. I run 9 different YouTube channels, and in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can start making money on YouTube with incredibly simple videos. I'm going to show you channels doing this, how you can start doing this too, and how you can start generating these super simple videos yourself. I'm going to show you the best tools, tips, and tricks for doing it all in this video today. So make sure to watch until the end to discover how to do this yourself. So before we get into the video today, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I come out with regular videos teaching you how you can start making money online. So without further ado, let's get into it here on my computer. As you can see, here is the first channel that we're going to be taking a look at today. This is the first example channel I wanted to show you called Daily Motive Web. As you can see, this channel has 151,000 subscribers and they make incredibly simple videos. So let's take a look at one of their videos right here as an example. So here's a video. As you can see, it's literally just text on a screen with the stock video in the background of the video. There's no talking whatsoever, no voiceover, nothing like that. Literally just text on the videos. And you're probably thinking, this is all fine and good, but these videos probably don't get that many views. Take a look at this. This video, uploaded 9 months ago, 2.2 million views. It's called 18 Signs Someone Really Loves You. This is the video right here. This video got 2.2 million views. And if we take a look at the Social Blade statistics for this channel is getting 580,000 views per month. And this is by far not the only channel that's doing this either. Here's another channel called Health Apta doing pretty much the exact same thing. 257,000 subscribers, and this channel is making a lot more money if they have ads turned on their channel. 2.9 million views a month, making between $730 and $11,000 per month estimated by Social Blade just from ads alone. So if this channel has ads on, they're literally making over $100 a day just putting text on a screen. And let's take a look at one of these videos just to show you guys it's the same type of videos. Here's their top video uploaded 1 year ago. And if we click this video right here, these same types of videos with music in the background of the videos, and it's literally just putting text on a screen with the background. This one's not even a video background. It's literally just an image in the background. 1.5 million views on this video with just text on a screen. Now here is the last channel I want to show you guys before showing you how you can actually get started doing this, show you how to edit these videos, a completely free video editor, and where to find content for these channels. So this channel is called Knowledge Detection. As you can see, their last upload was 11 months ago. They haven't uploaded anything in 11 months. And as you can see, all their videos are very similar, and their latest video uploaded 11 months ago has 88,000 views, and it's called Human Nature Psychology Facts. And if we take a look at the Social Blade stats for this channel, as you can see, this channel is still, even though they haven't uploaded in 11 months, this channel is still getting 2 million views a month, making between $4,000 and $68,000 a year. Potentially, they could be earning a full-time income just from their channel, just from ads alone. So now you're probably saying, this is great, I really want to do this, but how do I actually get started finding content to use for these channels? And how do I actually go about editing the videos? Which, these are valid questions, and I'm going to be answering them right now. So in terms of finding content, as you can see, a lot of these are just literally white backgrounds, sometimes blue backgrounds, sometimes images, and then sometimes videos. As you can see right here, this is like a video background on this particular video. So the number one place I recommend going to for finding videos is a website called Pixabay.com. And here's what this website looks like right here. And if you go to Pixabay.com, as you can see, it's going to look something like this. And you can find completely free photos and videos to use in the backgrounds of your videos, completely free. You don't have to give attribution on most of these videos either. They're completely free to use in your videos. So to find videos, you simply go to Pixabay.com and then you select videos right here on this dropdown. And then let's just say we want to find a background. So we just search background right there. And as you can see, there's tons of completely free backgrounds that we can use in our videos. So let's say we wanted to use this background right here, Blue Earth World Globe right here. It looks great, so we click it. And then we just click this on the right-hand side. And as you can see, it's free for commercial use, no attribution required. And you just click this green button, and you can select whatever resolution. Let's just do the highest resolution, 1920 by 1080, select download. And now we actually need music for the background of our video. And the number one place I recommend going to is youtube.com/audio library. If you go to youtube.com/audio library, it's going to look like this. These are all completely free songs and music that you can use in your videos. And what I recommend doing is selecting attribution not required from this little drop down right here. This is completely free music to use within your videos. And you don't have to worry about copyright complaints or any of that other kind of stuff. So don't just take random people's music, put it in your videos. Make sure to go to youtube.com/audio library for finding music for your videos. And there's tons of different songs right here. And to download a song, you simply go to right here and select download, and then your song will be downloaded and you can use it within your video. And now you're probably asking, how do I actually go about editing these videos? And I want to show you a completely free video editor available for both Mac and PC, and it's called the OpenShot Video Editor. So if you go to openshot.org, it's going to look like this, and you can simply download this for completely free just by clicking this blue button right here. And once you download OpenShot and you install it on your computer, it's going to look something like this. And then to import your video, you can simply select your video right here and drag it in. And then we also have a song right here that I downloaded from the YouTube audio library. Let's drag that in right here as well. And then there we go. So now we have our music and background video imported into OpenShot. So now what we want to do is select these clips individually and drag them down to the track right here. And then we can put the music on this track right here. And as you can see, it actually shows a preview of the video right here as you're making it. So now to add a title, all you simply have to do is click Control T right here, and then you can simply choose from any of these titles that are provided to you from OpenShot. So here, let's choose this title right here, Gold 1. Looks good. I think it'll look good against this blue background right here. And then all you have to do is you can change this to say whatever you want it to say. So let's say, for example, we wanted to make a video like this one, 18 signs someone really loves you. And let's say number 11, when someone really loves you, they will be afraid to lose you. And we can simply put that in our title right here. So now we have our title right here. So we simply drag this title onto the track right there. And as you can see, now we have the title on it. If we play this, as you can see, we have our background video right there. We have background music on the video, just like that. And then once you do this and you put a bunch of titles on the video, you're going to want to click this red circle right here. And this will actually prompt you to export the video, and you can choose all the different specifications and all that right here. Export the video and then upload it to YouTube. So I showed you some example channels doing this, how you can find content for your channel, and a completely free video editor and how to edit the videos. Now, if you want to do this the right way for sure and learn from someone who actually does this and runs 9 different YouTube channels, then check out my course at the link in the description. It's going to show you step by step how I grew a channel from 0 to 500,000 subscribers in a single year, and more importantly, how you can too. My course, Tube Mastery and Monetization, is literally just a culmination of all the knowledge that I've learned on YouTube, and there's a ton of awesome bonuses as well. And again, the link for that is down in the description. So thanks so much for watching, everybody.